So joining us now on a CNBC exclusive is the chairman and CEO of Adobe. That's Shantanu Narayen, who is a titan. Shantanu, congratulations on just a monster quarter. You really blew out the numbers.
Thank you, Jim, and it's always great to be back on your show, and you're right. I mean, when we talk about what's happened in this world and moving from where digital was part of it to a digital-only world, I think all three of our businesses did exceedingly well.
I absolutely love what you talked about many times on the conference call, which I urge people, if you buy Adobe, you got to listen. Digital is mission critical, not nice to have. Big change.
It really is. I mean, if you think about the fact that it's only been a year since the pandemic and how the world has completely pivoted to engaging digitally. And so whether you're an enterprise wanting to acquire or service customers, whether you're an educational institution trying to educate, whether you're an entertainment company trying to entertain, I think the future of work, learn, play is all going to be just digital. And that's where I think, we have these unique opportunities to continue to invest in innovation and deliver great value.
I want people to know there are three important clouds here. There's a creative, there's document, there's experience. Every one of them was better than expected. And the one, I know maybe it's short-sighted, but you know, Shantanu, when creative was only 19, some of these analysts went nuts, and you're back to 20. But the most important thing, I think, is that you are so optimistic for the future for all three of those clouds.
Well, if you think about creative, Jim, we've always said everybody has a story to tell. And if you think about the fact that all these mobile devices are not just consumption devices, they're creation devices. You see what's happening with immersive media. I mean, think about it. We used to be able to do live photo shoots. And now all of those live photo shoots, if you're trying to make films, is all happening digitally. If you're a K through 12 student who's trying to create a book report, that has to be done digitally. And collaboration is underlying all of that. And so I think on the creative side, we just look at it and say it's the golden age of design, whether you're interacting on a mobile app, whether you're interacting in a physical store, on a particular screen, whether you're in a car. And so that's where we are the platform of choice. Certainly Stock as a service has also done well. On the document side, Jim, as you know, I mean, everybody is saying we cannot be in a physical location, so we have to electronically sign things. Our sign business grew 50% year over year because it enables you to automate that last mile. And then on the powering digital businesses, as we've touched upon so many times, it really is about if you can't deliver that personalized experience in the last millisecond, customers have such zero tolerance for a bad experience right now.
You are also, I think, king of trying to figure out where digital is. You have Adobe Digital Index, which I have used because it's been the most rigorous. And you are forecasting some terrific numbers for first $1 trillion year in e-commerce coming?
We think so. And you're right. I mean, the fact that we have our pulse on what people are trying to do with all of their digital storefronts, what's happening on commerce, where are people's sentiment in terms of, what's hot and what's not. And you're right, the Adobe Digital Index predicts that next year is going to be the first trillion year in commerce. And I don't think there's any looking back because we have made this shift and, the world's moved to a digital first world. And I think consumers are recognizing how wonderful that is. So, yeah, we just continue to think that everything is going to be procured digitally.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.